So coming around to this side, same chimney, the bedroom is just beyond this wall here. We're treating the same chimney but in a different way. Undoubtedly, one of the things that convinced me to keep it is that we could fit a good size Escea fire into this space, so it made sense to keep it from that point of view. And then the other part was, what am I going to do with it? Same thing as on the other room. If you look at the ceiling there, you can see that's how big all of this framing used to be. We've stripped all of that back, we've brought the wall lining into the chimney itself. I've had a rock coat render applied over the brick because, to be honest, I wanted to lose the orange of the original bricks. And then once we'd applied the render, we both looked at it and went, actually, you know what, we kind of like it. It feels really honest. It's a chimney, it's old, we've done a render on it, and so we've just simply applied a resin clear coat over the top of it to make it more durable. I think it's been a really good solution. It's a practical one, but in terms of the design, the feel of the space, it works really well. It anchors the room in a sense, and I like it. So the dilemma was, do we keep them or do we remove the chimney? I'm pleased that we've kept the chimney and we've made it useful and functional by adding the fire, and I think we've treated it in a way that is respectful of the heritage and the fact that it's been here for over 100 years, but it does feel contemporary by adding the render to it. That's the solution.